Will as many as that have a counter opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
A bill for an act of parliament to amend the laws relating to various taxes and duties and for matters incidental thereto. A bill for an act of parliament to amend the laws relating to various taxes and duties and for matters incidental.
Honorable members, we have counted the members on their feet. It is 27. And that request is therefore declined. We have properly done that and counted myself. It was less than 30. Next order.
Order number 9, the Kenya Revenue Authority Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 28 of 2026, second reading.
Order, members. We are now on order number 9.
Well done, Madam Speaker. I think it's done.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader. Who is moving order number 9?
Order number 9, Leader. Amuka.